I want to pick some of these peppers because they are ripe and they need to come off the vine so they're not taking energy from other peppers. So we got one so far. Snip. All right, that's two. Hungarian wax peppers. Snip. Snip. If we got enough, I'm gonna make some more hot sauce. Two nice ones right there. Look at that. They're in stress. When they start looking like this, like they're distressed, I definitely want to cut these off. 3, 4. Forgot him. We got 6. 6 off that one bush. That's a red jalapeno pepper right here. Gonna pull these off. Four off that bush. Look at that. So I'm averaging 6 off of each bush. Well, all these are ripe, so why not? Should I leave that one? No, we're gonna pick. I think I'm gonna have to put this on a scale today. And this is our Monday's harvest. Only jalapeno and Hungarian wax peppers. Let's do it. Hold up, I forgot one. 1 pound, 10.4 ounces.